Bott cubio drawer cabinets come in a comprehensive range of sizes, drawer configurations and weight capacities. The flexibility of the Bott cubio system allows drawer cabinets to be tailored to meet a very wide range of requirements. The clean, ergonomic design is optimized for higher load capacities. A 25mm drawer spacing has been incorporated to allow customers to specify different drawer heights to suit their individual requirements. Cabinet stability is enhanced with the inclusion of a drawer blocking mechanism, which allows only one drawer to be pulled out at a time, thus reducing the likelihood of tipping. A high-security locking system is fitted as standard with options of electronic locking or master key system in multiple cabinet solutions. To deliver improved operating performance, all drawers run on durable slides with nylon wheel bearings, which give a smooth and quiet low-friction glide. They are capable of holding up to an impressive 200 kilograms when fully extended, which obviously improves accessibility. A wide range of accessories have been developed to ensure optimal use of space. Other key features include ergonomic handles for easy access that come complete with labels and plastic covers. Additionally, combination units are available with a separate cupboard section. Here, the reinforced door has hinges that allow 180-degree opening, which gives full access to internal shelves. Moving on to mobile drawer cabinets, these feature high-quality, rubber-tired casters which enable mobility and stability. Additional safety features include a trigger lock, which prevents drawers accidentally opening whilst in transit. As with all Bott products, cubio drawer cabinets offer a professional and hard-wearing finish. And to add the finishing touch, customers can choose from a number of versatile accessories.